In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Outlook account permanently. Before we start, it's important to understand that deleting an Outlook account means closing your entire Microsoft account. That affects everything tied to it, including Outlook email, OneDrive files, Xbox services, Skype, and any app purchases or subscriptions connected to that account. With that in mind, let's walk through the process carefully. First, back up anything you want to keep. Save important emails by downloading attachments or forwarding messages to another address and export your contacts so you don't lose them. If you store files on OneDrive, download copies to your computer or move them to another cloud service. Once the account is closed, you won't be able to get this data back. Next, go to the Microsoft Account Closure page. If you are not sure where to find it, search for Microsoft Account Closure in your browser and open the official Microsoft site. On that page, choose the option to close your account to begin. Sign in with the exact account you want to delete. Double-check the username before proceeding, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If your browser auto-signs you into the wrong one, use a private window or sign out and sign back in to make sure you are closing the right account. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to receive a code by email or text and enter it when asked. This step confirms you are the account owner and helps protect your data. Now review the information on the screen. Microsoft will outline what you'll lose access to and may ask you to acknowledge several checkboxes. You'll also choose a waiting period, either 30 or 60 days. This is a safety window. The account isn't immediately deleted. If you change your mind during that time, you can sign back in to cancel the closure. If you are certain you are done, select the period that works for you and confirm that you understand the consequences. Finally, select a reason for closing the account and click Mark Account for closure. You should see a confirmation with the date when the account will be permanently deleted. Make a note of that date. Until then, the account is in a pending closure state. And after the waiting period ends, it's permanently removed. That's it. Thanks for watching.